I visited Phoenix Market City Mall in Kurla, which is a very famous mall in Mumbai, and it was a really great experience going there after such a long period of time. वैसे तो हम लोग online scrolling करते रहते हैं, and that experience was missing in these 8 months, and the experience was superb, and I really enjoyed it. The missing component was that we don't have any food facility over there. वहाँ पे खाने का कुछ भी available नहीं था. There was only McDonald's का takeaway, and yeah, I got that. But पूरा दिन morning to evening जब तक हम लोग वहाँ पे shopping कर रहे थे, explore कर रहे थे, we were actually hungry. One more thing that you have to keep in mind that they will check your Arogya Setu app, and if it shows that you are safe, only then you will get the entry in the mall. I shop from multiple stores in the mall, from H&M, from Lifestyle, from Adidas and Kappa as well. Namaste, I'm Aarti Chawla and welcome to my channel, The Indian Playing Girl. In this video, I will share what I got from H&M and the other stuff in the part 2. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. First thing which I got from H&M is this lavender crop t-shirt. I love baggy and loose clothes, and this material, this fabric is super soft and I love it. It is super comfortable. This t-shirt costed me rupees 399, and just look at the beautiful adorable color. This kind of cool colors really attract me. I'm totally into pastel and light colors. I enjoy wearing these kind of clothes. The second item that I got is this mesh crop top. It has mesh work detailing done and has a mesh sleeves. I can wear this as a crop top plus as a blouse, so that's why I thought that this can be a worth it investment. So I got this top. The next item is this casual wear gray charcoal gray t-shirt, and it has embellishments in the front, and it's really comfortable. The material is really soft, and I really loved it. The price that I paid for this is 799, and there was no discount on this as well. The next item that I got is this front knotted crop top, which is grey in color and has white straps on the sleeves. And this costed me rupees 799. Again, there was no discount in this one also. And yeah, I got this for casual wear. The t-shirts are for casual wear. The next and very last clothing item that I picked up for myself, and isko dekh ke I was like super surprised and super happy. Okay, and this is a animal printed shirt. It is a chiffon material, and it is a little bit, tad bit sheer. Okay, not much, but it is sheer. I got this shirt for 799, and the original price was 1499. So I think it's a really good deal, and I can see myself styling this in n number of ways. So I'm really happy with this purchase. ये एक था when I was just about to go for the billing, and I saw this shirt and I was super excited. There was no trial allowed, but what I did is I opened all the buttons and I tried it there itself to just check the size of this, because इसका shoulders काफी बड़े लग रहे थे, but then I tried it and it was super perfect. And all the other clothes also which I have got, I have not tried them. I just stretched the material and अंदाजे से लेके आई हूँ, but all of them fit perfectly. The last clothing item that I got from H&M is this track pant for my brother. And it's a really nice material. It's comfortable and stretchable as well. And it has elastics in the bottom, like this. And yeah. And the color is also really nice. So I got this for him. It has zippers over here. Yeah, so that he doesn't drop his phone. And now is the time to see our favorite part, and that is accessories. I have 3 packets of accessories and I have multiple things in them. So opening the first one. So the first item is this blush pink colored sunglasses. It is just a fashionable statement piece. You can carry, onto your outfits and just have fun. ये सनग्लास को मैं 1.5 से ज़्यादा ईयर्स से ढूंढ रही हूँ एंड मैंने तब देखा था इसको ऑल्डो एक्सेसरीज के स्टोर में, बट वहाँ पे लास्ट पीस बचा था एंड साइड में थोड़ा सा स्क्रैच था, तो इसलिए आई डिड नॉट एंड अप बाइंग दैट एंड नाउ आई गॉट दिस इन H&M, तो आई ग्रैब्ड इट एंड इसकी तो डील भी बहुत अच्छी थी, 799 का 199 में. आई कैन सी स्टाइलिंग माई सेल्फ दिस ऑन द बीचेस एंड फॉर फोटो शूट्स एंड आई एम लविंग द वाइब दैट दिस सनग्लास इज गिविंग मी. I got one more pair of sunglasses. It looked really beautiful and statement piece, and this was originally for 799 and I got this for 399 rupees. It was on sale and I really like the look it gives you. It I just felt like a celeb, and black sunglasses complement all the colors that you wear. You carry, and it's a lovely piece. I really liked it. Now next thing that I got is this pair of earrings. This is half brown and half black. Yeah, the tops are also black in color. So this is originally for rupees 799 and I got this for, guess how much? I got this for 149. अब जनरली H&M में ये होता है कि उस पे जो स्क्रैच्ड आइटम्स रहते हैं, जो वेरी ओल्ड आइटम्स रहते हैं, उन्हीं पे सेल होता है, बट दिस वाज अ रियली फ्रेश पीस एंड आई ग्रैब्ड दिस. एंड बाकी दूसरे पीसेस पे काफ़ी सारे स्क्रैचेस थे एंड यही पीस था. आई थॉट इट इज अ गुड डील एंड आई गॉट दिस वन एंड आई कैन सी माई सेल्फ स्टाइलिंग दिस ब्लैक एंड ये दोनों कलर इज यूनिवर्स. आई थिंक दिस इज अ डील, गुड डील दैट आई गॉट फ्रॉम H&M. Next item is jewelry item. I was so curious to try these कि मैंने इसको इसमें से निकाल दिया and I did try that. And this is a neck piece. It is a golden, thick golden neck piece and it looks really versatile. I actually wanted something like this to style with my white shirt and all, but this will go with 1,000 and number of outfits. Again, it's a versatile golden statement neck piece and this costed me rupees 699 and I think it's okay to spend on statement things with such a good quality. So yeah. So next item I got is anklet का set and इस पे foot छपा हुआ है. This costed me rupees 699 and there was no discount on this also. So this is a pair of 3 different size of chains and I'm going to end up using like a bracelet. So yeah, I'm super happy with this purchase also. First I was confused and skeptical that should I invest so much money, 799 and this is for 699. Should I get these for so much? But then I think it's worth investing in on such statement pieces because the quality is really nice and it will last longer, and I will end up using this in multiple ways. The shine is really nice. I did see these kind of pieces in some other store, but the shine and the quality of the chains wasn't like this, and I can literally see that yeah, it's worth investing. Iसीलिए then I invested in these pieces. So the best of all, if you ask me, is accessories. Maybe if you ask me, then I like all these neck piece and the chains. And this is my favorite pair of sunglasses from this too. Favorite clothing item, if you ask me, is this shirt and this one. This is also super comfortable and I love this purchase. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys. I really had fun while shopping this because this feeling of going out and shopping, touching the things and selecting items out of 1,000 items displayed in front of you was so relaxing, and I really felt free. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed because I enjoyed a lot. And this was it for my H&M haul. My part 2 of shopping from Phoenix Mall after quarantine will come up in the next week, so stay tuned for that. I have also planned a cute giveaway and it's coming your way, so please do subscribe to my channel. See you very soon. Till then, take care, stay blessed. Mwah.